Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Believe and Do It. I am Muhammad Arshadullah. In my channel, I will help you to get all those amazing insights through motivational inspiration tips, stories, and inviting guests to share their experience, and also to book reviews for helping you to know about the expertise view. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello everyone. Now let's hear our today's first book review. Developing the Leader Within You 2.0, written by John Maxwell. Chapter 1. The definition of leadership. Influence. Everyone talks about it. Few understand it. Most people desire to cultivate a high capacity for it. Few actually do. I can put my hands on more than 50 definitions and descriptions of it from my personal files. If you Google it, you will get more than 760 million results for it. What am I talking about? Leadership, says John Maxwell. Today, however, leadership is a buzzword, and schools and universities have embraced it. If you wanted to, you could earn an advanced degree in the subject at more than 100 accredited universities. All three of the universities where John Maxwell attended offers courses in leadership. Why has leadership become so important? Because people are recognizing that becoming a better leader changes lives. Everything rises and falls on leadership. The world becomes a better place when people become better leaders. Developing yourself to become the leader you have the potential to be will change everything for you. It will add to your effectiveness, subtract from your weakness, divide your workload, and multiply your impact. Why many people don't develop as leaders? More and more people recognize the value of good leadership, yet not very many work to become better leaders. Why is that? Despite the widespread prevalence of leadership books and classes, many people think leadership isn't for them. Maybe it's because they make one of these assumptions. Assumption number 1. I'm not a born leader, so I can't lead. Assumption number 2. A title and seniority will automatically make me a leader. Assumption number 3. Work experience will automatically make me a leader. Assumption number 4. I'm waiting until I get a position to start developing as a leader. So what's the problem? As legendary UCLA basketball coach John Wooden said, when opportunity comes, it's too late to prepare. If you start learning about leadership now, not only will you increase your opportunities, but you will also make the most of them when they arrive. How will you develop the leader within you? The bottom line is that if you have never done anything to develop yourself as a leader, you can start today. And if you have already begun your leadership journey, you can become a better leader than you already are by intentionally developing the leader within you. Let's start with the most important concept of the 10. Influence. After more than 5 decades of observing leaders around the world and many years of developing my own leadership potential, I have come to this conclusion. Leadership is influence. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. James C. George, founder and chairman of PAR Group, said in an interview that, "What is leadership?" Remove for a moment the moral issues behind it, and there is only one definition. Leadership is the ability to obtain followers. Anyone, for good or ill, who gets others to follow is a leader. Influence is the beginning of true leadership. If you mistakenly define leadership as the ability to achieve a position instead of the ability to attract followers, then you will go after a position, rank, or title to try to become a leader. But this type of thinking results in two common problems. First, what do you do if you attain the status of a leadership position but experience the frustration of having no one follow you? Second, what if you never achieve the proper title? Will you keep waiting to try to make a positive impact on the world? The author John Maxwell says that, "My goal with this book is to help you understand how influence works and use it as the starting point for learning how to lead more effectively." Each chapter is designed to help you acquire skills and abilities that further develop you as a leader. With the addition of each skill set, you will become a better leader. Well, guys, it's a short summary of Chapter 1 of Developing the Leader Within You 2.0. Stay tuned for the next summary of insights about influence. Thank you.